for? Who do you work for? Tell me. There was a lot of noise going on.
Use your body weight to push the dough into itself. You might have to add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with.
Oh. Now, Sadie, now what? You stop it. Get down. Get down.
You look so beautiful. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Phoebe, you're next. You're next. You're next.
I can't make this up. I just wanted to do my hair, and I looked up, and she scared the absolute shit out of me. I screamed like a bitch.
Oh my God.
So my cat kept playing with my hair and it was getting really irritating. So I gave her a piece because I'm a mother first.
Remain calm. Find a frame for this.
Out of all the positions you could choose to lay in, this is the one you've settled on? Okay. Morning. Morning. He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
Today is Wednesday, which means soup tets to drink out of a glass. It's his favorite activity.
Thank you. Can you say it? Thank you.
Who's buying this?
That would be my big fat ass.
You remember to grab it with your hands. Now your feet. There you go. Now I'm gonna drop. You're gonna drop. Pay attention. There you
Babe, no. Chihuahua.
We have come for your nectar. We need the nectar.
Can you let go? I need to go. Yes, I need to go. Let go. Please. Can you let, Luna, I need to go.
Oh, let's go home. Come on. Come on. Okay, fine. Go back to sleep.
See ya.
You have got to understand that there are consequences to your actions.
You are like Papa!
You have no clue, do you? You have no idea what it's like to have something inside you. Something that's damaged.
Ow.
Funny. Yes, but not funny, haha. Funny, weird.
Susalı var bir su içecek.
Ulan?
I don't care. I don't care. Okay. I really don't give a I really don't.
Exactly. This dude in his damn Tesla. Yo, bro, you can't park here. Seriously, you gotta skedaddle. You want me to call? I didn't realize you were chill like that. All right, you're good.
I thought they were gone. Oh my God, look at them.
Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? 2. 1, 2.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
Toñita, Simba, Anaí, Lorenza, Jeremy, Cristal, Luciano, Emilio, Maxi y Matías. Mis 10 bebesotes.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Who's buying this?
That would be my big fat ass.
That's why I'm so sick of these bitches. I've been like you around. You won't think something like that.
Hey man, what song are you listening to?
I'm listening to Thoughts.
Oh, sick. Thanks, man.